Hello, wonderful people. I'm introducing to you Denmark free volunteer visa. No application fee or processing fee needed. All is free. I will show you how to navigate. Join me in Google. Let me show you how to navigate. Look at it here. Just come in Google and write Denmark free volunteer work or job. Look at it. I will show you. I've written it in Google. Look at it. You hit enter. If you will do volunteer work, unpaid work, look at it. What I want to show you is this website. Look at it. Click on it. So let's click on it. Click, it will open. Look at where it leads us. So you scroll down, you can say accept. Okay, so that you will see everything. You can accept cookie. If it's in the Danish language, turn it to English language. Some pages you will see it in Danish language. So click where they wrote English or English flag. It will turn to English. So look at it here. You will be working in Denmark as a volunteer. As volunteer, you will be doing voluntary unpaid work of a social or humanitarian. So before you qualify, you will pick a job that is social or humanitarian. And I told you there is no fee. Processing fee, no fee. You see, let me show you now. 3 months. Normal processing time, 3 months. Any fee, no fee. Look at it. Any fee, no fee. No fee at all. Anybody telling you bring any fee, know that the person is a scammer. So no degree needed. So let me tell you very well. So no degree needed, no experience needed, no English proficiency needed. So all is free. So you see here, let me show you again. All here. You scroll down. Wait a minute. So scroll up and down. You will see likely question. That is frequent asked question. Who can apply? Click the double arrow. Every drop down button. Click it and read. It is here that you will come to find information. After seeking information here, how long, how much, how to apply. You see how to apply with red. You see how to apply with red. Yes. Here you will come to seek information. After seeking information, then you go back. I will show you another page that will grant you job. So let's go. So wonderful people, join me in the second website. This website is called frivilligjob.dk. frivilligjob.dk. Look at it. Type it in the Google. This is website in which you will come to find job. All the job you will see here, they are all volunteers. So please try to find the one that fall under humanitarian or social work. Let's navigate. So you can click here. This is website. You can click here or you can click here. You can come here and click. Look at it here. They are all the same. Either you click here or here. So let's click one and let's see what we open. So let's click here. We have clicked it. You have seen that is in Danish language. So click translate by the top corner. You will see translate so that it will translate for you in English. Click translate so that it will change in English. So scroll down. You will see where they write find job. So scroll down, keep scrolling down. You can click get notification so that any job they will let you know. Please try to select job that fall under social or humanitarian job. So look at it here, find job. Look at where they wrote it. Find job, become volunteer. So when you find job here, you go back to the Denmark free volunteer job. It's there that you will apply. First of all, find job here. So let's click find job. I will click find job. So I will click find job. So it will open. When it opens, scroll down. All those things you are seeing now, they are all jobs. So all these things, keep reading it. Anyone you find interesting, click it. You will see contact. So let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. It has many pages. So let's quickly, so keep reading all the links to know which one we are interested in. So when you come to the bottom, you will click see more pages will appear. So we have reached the end. Look at it. So look at it, the end, but it has 247 pages. So let's click here. So this dot I make now, you click, it will keep opening. You keep reading. So let's click it and see. So click more. When you click more, you keep scrolling down. You see never alone. These are all work jobs, so volunteer jobs, and some are virtual, some are in person. So try to find those that you will go in person, so that they will help you process your visa application and everything. They will grant you visa. When you get there, they will give you resident permit for 1 year when it's about to expire. So we are in second page now, so let's click again to see. You see, we are on second page, so you have to keep clicking so that you will select job that is suitable for you. When you click it, you keep scrolling down. Keep scrolling down. If wrong character, look at this now. He said, are you good with children? Look at this. This sound good, eh? Nene, this sound good. So everything with children, anything you will work with people, or crisis, or humanitarian, or asylum, or refugee, or school, or work like social care for people, they are all social or humanitarian job. So you can select those, and so look at it and make sure that it fall under humanitarian or social. So let's keep moving forward. So let's click this one. I've clicked it. So if you like it, you click it. You see where they wrote contact the organization. You see, it's from here you will contact them. When you contact them, when the visa is granted to you, then you will go back to the second website and apply for visa. By then you have gathered everything, appointment letter, contract, everything. Then you use it to apply on the second and the first website. They won't know. Please give us thumb up so that we keep bringing to you interesting thing. If this interests you, say interesting. If this interests you, say interesting. If you are interested, say I am interested. Say good, fine, beautiful. Share it to your loved ones. Bye bye.